Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear learners. I welcome you to English Grade 6 video lessons. I'm your instructor Zia Hamid. I hope that you're doing well. So as you know that we are dealing with our unit number 1 titled Hazrat Muhammad's Faith. This will be our lecture number 7 with the competency of writing, and the topic is topic sentence. Let's read our students' learning outcome. So our students' learning outcome is about the writing, and in which we follow the technique of writing topic sentence and supporting details. Recognize that a paragraph comprises a group of sentences that develop a single idea. Write a simple unified paragraph on a given topic. Write a clear topic sentence using specific words, vivid verbs, and modifiers, etc. And then we will see that how we can add adequate supporting details to complete the idea. So my dear learners, we will be talking about the topic sentence and the supporting details. Here we will see that how that a paragraph is a group of sentences that comprises a single idea, and we will try to write a simple unified paragraph on a given topic, any topic that is given to you. We will be very careful about using specific words, vivid verbs, and some modifiers in our paragraph. Also, we will use supporting details in the middle to complete the idea. So topic sentence and the supporting details and the some elements that come in the supporting details. So these are the things that we will be dealing with. Now let's get started. Here is a vertical linkage of this SLO with the previous grade. I hope that you remember what you have learned. Now my dear learners, a brainstorming activity for you. You need to ponder upon the question, how can you guess the main idea of a paragraph? Whenever you're reading something, how would you know that what the paragraph is about? What do you look for? Pause the video and think about it and discuss it with your fellows. Okay, now my dear learners, let's move forward after this brainstorming session. I hope that you are very much clear about finding about the main idea of any paragraph. Now let's talk about topic sentences as a main idea of paragraph. So in a paragraph, the first sentence, the topic sentence, is actually the main idea. Let's explore it further. So what is a topic sentence? Let's see. It's usually the first sentence of a paragraph. Number one. Then it communicates the paragraph's main idea to the reader. Moving on, it must be both general and specific. General enough to let the reader know the paragraph's principal subject, and specific enough that it applies the individual paragraph, not the paper as a whole, like a thesis does. So we will be catering both the general and the specific in our topic sentence. So let's review it. Topic sentence is the first sentence of a paragraph. It communicates the main idea of any paragraph, and it must be in both general and specific. You need to keep these things in mind about a topic sentence. Now my dear learners, what are supporting details? So in a paragraph, you see that after the first sentence, the topic sentence, the paragraph goes on. That part is the supporting detail that is catering to the main idea that we found in the topic sentence. So let's see what are these supporting details. Supporting details gives information that supports and explains the topic of the paragraph. They answer questions like who, what, where, when, and why, and how, and give details. So in the supporting details part, of any paragraph, you can find the 5 W's, and also how, and we also give details of the main idea or the thing, the topic that we are talking about. So this is our supporting detail. Now next, my dear learners, we saw that in the supporting details we came across terms like specific words or vivid verbs or modifiers. So let's see first what are the specific words that we find in any paragraph, or whenever we are writing a paragraph we use those specific words. So they are particular words, specific words that reflect the main idea. For example, if you're writing something about patience and tolerance, or let's say in this lesson that you read, you know the main idea is about teaching us patience and tolerance. So you will see words like patient, tolerant. So these are the words that you will come across. They are actually helping the main idea. So that's why we call them specific words. Now let's talk about some vivid verbs. Vivid verbs are actually the verbs that are that creates an image in your mind. You will feel like that you're actually there and you're present there while you're reading something. So vivid verbs are verbs that create a clear, specific picture in the reader's mind. Vivid verbs are a type of literary device. By replacing walk with a more vivid verb, we can convey more about the way someone is walking. For example, he strolled into the room. Instead of saying he walked into the room, we use the vivid verb strolled. It gives us an idea that how the person that we are talking about walked. So it gives us a clear picture. This is all about vivid verbs, and you are very clear that why do we use vivid verbs? To enhance our communication and our writing. So we can get the reader to understand more about what we are trying to say. Let's take another example. She sprinted to the finish line. The cat crept around the yard. So all these are vivid verbs. Now let's see what are modifiers. So modifier is an adjective or adverb that provides additional information. For example, in the sentence, the big boy yelled loudly, the words big and loudly here are both modifiers. They are modifying the noun. Big modifies the noun boy by indicating its size, and loudly modifies the verb yelled by indicating how the boy yelled. So it tells us the intensity, the shape, the size, and everything. So this is why we use modifiers, and they are used with adverbs and adjectives. So in our supporting details, in our paragraph, we can find modifiers that are ultimately making our nouns more clear and expression with full of expressions. So now let's see an example of topic sentence. For example, cats are very good pets for several reasons. So now, by reading the very first line of this paragraph, we know that the main idea is about pets, and the writer is actually praising cats as pets. Cats are very good pets for several reasons. Now we know that we will be reading some reasons also. So this is how topic sentence gives us an idea about the paragraph. Now all these next sentences, the statements, are our supporting details. So these are our supporting details. You can find specific words and also vivid verbs and modifiers in our supporting details. Here is another example for you. Anna is an excellent student. So we know that the topic is the paragraph is about a student named Anna, and she's an excellent student. Now we know that now we will be talking about Anna. She's intelligent, she's responsible. Anna always does her homework and she is never late for class. As a result of her hard work, Anna is one of the best students in school. So all these supporting details are actually telling us that Anna is an excellent student. Now, my dear learners, here is a simulation video for you. For your help, you can watch it anytime. Now, moving on to our classroom activity that we will do, it is you have to work in pairs and read different paragraphs from a story, write the topping sentence and its supporting details of each paragraph. Also, underline the specific words, vivid verbs or modifiers in it. So first you will go through some paragraphs, identify the topic sentences and the supporting details, and then you will write it by yourself on any topic. Now, my dear learners, here is a worksheet attached for your help, for your better understanding. And now we would like to show you the homework here. For your homework, this is from your page number 9 in the book. It's about writing. Brainstorm yourself, complete this mind map and write a simple unified paragraph using specific words, modifiers and vivid verbs in the topic sentence. Add supporting details to complete the idea. So after reading the definitions and seeing it with examples, now we will be able to write the topic sentence of any topic effectively, of any paragraph. So now, my dear learners, at the end, I would like to introduce some resources to you for your help. These are your worksheet, presentation, a lesson plan, question bank, and a skill sheet. All these are attached in the description of the video. I hope that you had great time learning about the topic sentence, how you can identify it, and ultimately write it by yourself in any paragraph so that you can write the topic sentence, the supporting details, and all those elements that are included that we studied. See you in the next video lesson. Allah Hafiz.